And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new Caveman video show. All thanks to Olympus Singapore and the Clubsnap forums, I'm able to test the new Olympus EM1X. It's a bright Sunday morning and we are going to test the new body on kids practicing soccer. I'll be touching on the body's ergonomics, show you some of the video samples, showcase the new autofocusing capabilities, and also highlight the new features like the Live ND and the handheld high-res mode. Here I have the new Olympus EM1X with the 40-150 f2.8. The new Olympus EM1X is a hell of a beast to hold. It comes with an integrated vertical grip that delivers the same grip and controls whether the camera is held vertically or horizontally. It also weighs about 1 kg with 2 batteries inside. There is a new built-in joystick now on both vertical and horizontal orientations that help you easily select the AF points. Overall, I feel that the buttons are spaced much further apart as compared to the EM1 Mark II. They also feel a little more squishy to press. I guess that's due to the increased weather sealing. There is a new customizable C-lock that can be activated to lock the operation of different buttons and levers. Do note that the new EM1X supports 2 times UHS 2 card slots, and you can even lock the card compartment. Without further ado, let us proceed to the pitch. Here are some sample handheld 4K footage in 30 frames per second. They are shot in natural profile as I forgot to use the OM lock instead. I'll remember to use the OM lock in my subsequent video. And here I have a 1080p footage shot in 60 frames per second and slowed down to half speed. And here are a few frames shooting this boy running towards us with a ball. The focus seems to be out during the last few frames. It could be my user error as I failed to keep the boy within the 3x3 grid when he suddenly squats down. Let us try again on this boy dribbling across the field. He seems to be in focus despite so many boys running all around him. Also, throughout the run, the EVF appeared almost lag-free. Suddenly, a boy ran across the field. I picked up the camera sloppily and sprayed at him. He was entirely in focus throughout the series of shots. Since the body comes with an integrated vertical grip, it will be a waste not to use it, right? In this case, the camera switched focus to the boy running in front across the frame and failed to relock focus to the boy shooting the ball. In such a scenario, I guess I could lower the sensitivity of the continuous autofocus. Let us now try the new Live ND feature. I shot this in 32 times ND mode. When you turn it on, you see your viewfinder becoming trippy and entering into a trance. Look at all the other stationary objects remaining tack sharp. You won't believe this is done handheld. Now let me try the new handheld high resolution mode. Piece of advice: shoot only stationary objects. I'll be retesting this again next week for a positive demonstration. So overall, it was a very fun Sunday morning shooting these kits with the new camera. I'll be retesting the camera next week on nature photography. After which, I will give my final thoughts and conclusion on the EM1X. So, what are your impressions of the EM1X so far? Please comment below. If you have enjoyed my video, please remember to share and hit the subscribe button. Thank you and see you next week. Bye bye.